like to run away from you, but if you never found me, I would die. I'd like to break the chains you put around me, but I know I never will. Stay away and all I do is wonder why the hell I wait for you. But when that common sense prepared for lovers, when you knew it never will. Impossible to live with you, but I know I could never live without you. For whatever you do, I never want to be in love with anyone but you. Never treat me like a shoe, so what is the good of loving as I do? Although you always laugh at love, nothing else would be good enough for you. Impossible to live with you, but I know I could never live without you. For whatever you do, I never want to be in love with anyone but you. You make me laugh, you make me cry, you make me live, you make me die for you. You make me sing, you make me sad, you make me glad, you make me mad for you. I love you, hate you, love you, hate you, but I want you till the world stops ending. For whatever you do, I never want to be in love with anyone but you. I love you, hate you, but I want you till the world stops ending. For whatever you do, never want to be in love with anyone but you. I love you, hate you, love you, hate you, love you, but I want you till the world stops ending. For whatever you do, I never want to be in love with anyone but you. Thank you all. Back to you, host and butcher natin, Patty Page. I went to your wedding, although I was dreading the thought of losing you. The organ was playing, my poor heart kept saying, your dreams are true. You came down the aisle wearing a smile, a vision of loveliness. I uttered the sigh, then whispered goodbye, goodbye to my happiness. Your mother was crying father was crying, and I was crying too. The teardrops were falling because we were losing you. Doraemon, you came down the aisle wearing a smile, a vision of loveliness. I uttered a sigh, then whispered goodbye, goodbye to my happiness. Mother was crying, your father was crying, and I was crying too. Teardrops were falling because we were losing you. Hey lady, you lady Carson at your life. You're a discontented mother and a regimented wife. I've no doubt you dream about the things you'll never do, but I wish someone had to talk to me like I wanna talk to you. Ooh, I've been to Georgia and California and anywhere I could run. Took the hand of a preacher man and we made love in the sun. But I ran out of places and friendly faces because I had to be free. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Please, lady, don't just walk away, 'cause I have this need to tell you while I'm all alone today. I can see so much of me sleeping in your eyes. Want to share a part of a weary heart that has lived a million lives. Ooh, I've been to Nice in the Isle of Greece while I sip champagne on a yacht. I move like Carlo in Monte Carlo and show them what I've got. I've been undressed by kings and I've seen some things that a woman is supposed to see. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Hey, you know what paradise is? It's a lie about people and places as we like them to be. But you know what truth is that little baby you're holding. And it's that man you fought with this morning, the same one you're gonna make love with tonight. That's truth, that's love. Sometimes I've been to crying for unborn children that might have made me complete. But I took the sweet life. I never knew I'd be bitter from the sweet. I spent my life exploring this soft glory that costs too much to be free. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. I Doraemon, sa lahat po sa baba, shoutout. Rowena Depends. Rose and clothes of painted hair, in ice cream castles in the air, and feather canyons everywhere. I've looked at clouds that way, but now they only block the sun. They rain and snow on everyone. So many things I would have done, but clouds got in my way. I've looked at clouds from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's clouds, illusions I recall. I really don't know clouds at all. Moons and dunes and Ferris wheels, the dizzy dancing way you feel whenever fairy tales come real. I've looked at love that way, but now it's just another show. You live in laughing when you go, and if you care, don't let them know. Don't give yourself away. I've looked at love from both sides now, from in and loose, and still somehow it's love's illusions I recall. I really don't know love at all. Tears and fears and feeling proud to say I love you right out loud. Dreams and schemes and circus crowds, I've looked at life that way, but now old friends are acting strange. They shake their heads, they say I've changed. When something's lost, but something's gained in living every day. I've looked at life from both sides now, from win and lose, and still somehow it's life's illusions I recall. I really don't know that at all. Back to your host and co-host. Ito ay at 7 ng umaga. Crazy, I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. I'm crazy for feeling so blue. I knew you'd love me as long as you wanted, and then someday you'd leave me for somebody new. Worry, why do I let myself worry? Wondering what in the world did I do? Oh, crazy for thinking that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for trying and crazy for crying, and I'm crazy for loving you. Crazy for thinking that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for trying and crazy for crying, and I'm crazy for loving you. Joel, may blue na, oh. Apologize sa mapagal.